creating something amazing and, of course, delicious in record time in your own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have the perfect recipe for you with Ground Beef Nacho Bake. So let's get cooking. First up, the ground beef filling. Using 80-20 ground beef is best. Pinto beans are a great alternative. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 25 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Chili powder can be traced back to Mexico around the 16th century. Modern chili powder is often credited to German-American William Gebhardt, who developed a popular ground blend in 1896 using chili peppers, cumin, oregano, garlic, and other ingredients. Today, chili powder is available in many different varieties, from mild to extremely hot. Set your timer for a final 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes in the oven this time. Looks great right out of the oven. And now for the toppings. Scatter a few pieces of shredded lettuce, diced tomato, and of course, jalapeno slices. And the dish is ready to enjoy. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. while this dish is loaded with seasoned ground beef, melted cheese, corn tortilla chips baked to perfection, perfect for weeknight dinners, game day parties, and other gatherings. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's the perfect meal that is made in your own kitchen. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.